A group of Central Massachusetts high school students are using their art skills to help some of UMass Memorial Medical Center's youngest patients get moving. Nurses at UMass approached Montachusett Regional Votech with the idea of lily pads. They're small round pieces of wood which fit at the base of a patient's IV pole. Young patients who may be too weak to walk the hallways of the hospital can either stand or sit and ride on them. Monty Tech made the idea a reality and used their artwork to create kid-friendly designs.
Ride along as they're getting an IV rather than the parents pushing them in a wheelchair if they can't walk or whatnot. So it's a great opportunity for the kids to have a little ride, and it takes their mind off of what's going on, being in the hospital.
It's so exciting to actually see it come into action. All our work pays off.
I hope I can make more work for the kids and see them used more.
Is the first patient to try out the new design, and his mom is thrilled.
He is the helper. He likes to be the ambassador and come in and play with everybody. So to see him happy in the halls, I know makes other kids happy.
Monty Tech donated 9 lily pads to the hospital and hope to continue making them for future patients.